Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for all tech-related solutions. In today's episode, we are going to tackle a problem that can be a real headache, the no signal or network issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So, you are facing the no signal or network issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and you are wondering why this is happening. There could be several reasons for this issue, and it's essential to understand these causes to find the right solution. Firstly, poor signal strength. If you are in a remote area or an area with poor network coverage, your phone may struggle to find a signal. This can also happen when you are indoors and surrounded by structures that block signal strength. Next up is network congestion. Picture a highway during rush hour, with everyone trying to get to their destination. This is what happens when a network is congested. Too many users are trying to use the network, which can lead to poor signal or no network. Lastly, we have hardware issues. Your Samsung Galaxy phone has physical components like antennas and SIM cards that play a crucial role in network connectivity. If these components get damaged, it can lead to the no signal or network issue. Remember, these problems can occur on any Samsung Galaxy phone, not just the latest S23 Ultra. But as always, for every problem, there is a solution. So let's dive into some fixes. Alright, let's jump into our first fix. It's quick, it's simple, it's toggling flight mode. This can help refresh the underlying network settings and could potentially solve the issue at hand. Go into quick settings and enable the airplane or flight mode. Wait for a few seconds and disable it back. Once you have done this, check to see if your signal or network issue is resolved. If not, don't worry, we have got more fixes coming up. Great. Moving forward to our second fix, which involves uninstalling carrier services. Now you might be wondering, what is carrier services? Well, it's a system app from Google that comes pre-installed on Android phones. It's essential for enabling communication services from a variety of carriers. However, if its data gets corrupted, it can affect your mobile network. Open Play Store and search for carrier services. Once you have it on your screen, you'll see an option for uninstall. Go ahead and click on that. In my case, I have already uninstalled it long back. So you can do the same. After you have done these steps, give your phone a moment and then check to see if this has resolved the network issues on your Galaxy device. If it hasn't, don't worry. We have got more solutions to try. Our third fix involves updating your phone's operating system or OS. Did you know that software updates can not only improve your phone's performance and stability but also fix bugs and add security patches? They can often resolve issues related to network connectivity and signal strength. On your phone, head over to Settings. Scroll through the list and select Software Update. Then you can click on Download and Install. Wait for some time. If an update is available, simply tap Download. After downloading, you can install it. Once the update is installed, your phone will automatically restart. Remember to check whether this has resolved your network issues. And if it hasn't, stick with us as we have more solutions to try. Let's move on to the fourth fix. Disabling the Wi-Fi calling functionality on your Samsung Galaxy phone has helped some users rectify the no signal or network issues. Let's see how it works for you. Open Settings on your phone. Next, select Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi calling. You'll see a toggle next to Wi-Fi calling. All you need to do is disable it. After you have done that, check if your network issues have been resolved. If not, don't worry, we still have more solutions up our sleeve. So, let's keep going. The next fix involves switching your network mode to LTE or 4G. We understand that the prospect of 5G connectivity is exciting, but it may not yet be as stable or widespread as the 4G network. From your phone's home screen, go to Settings. Next, select Connections. From the options, select Mobile Network. Now under the network mode, you will see to which network mode we have given authority. If you see 5G, then make sure to change it to LTE, 4G or 3G network. Make sure to save your settings and then test if this fixes the network issues on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are still facing the problem, let's move on to the next solution. If all previous solutions haven't worked, our final fix involves resetting your phone's network settings. It's a pretty drastic measure, and it's important to note that it will delete all saved Wi-Fi networks, paired Bluetooth devices, and APN profiles. So make sure you have saved any important data before proceeding. Go to Settings on your phone's home screen. From there, select General Management, then Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Then tap Reset Settings, and finally, enter your passcode or pattern lock to confirm the reset network settings. Once this process is complete, restart your device to ensure all changes take effect. And that wraps up our guide on how to fix no signal or network issues on any Samsung Galaxy phone. These methods should ideally help you solve the problem and get your phone back online. If you still have any queries or problems, don't hesitate to drop us a comment and we will get back to you with a solution as soon as we can. Thanks for joining us today.